Have you ever thought about disappearing? Not from the world, but from other people's expectations. From the need to please. From the character they created for you. And even the one you created for yourself. Maybe you don't need to escape. Maybe you just need silence, distance, a new version of yourself. Built in the shadows, far from judging eyes. You feel trapped, but you see no bars, because they're invisible. They're made of social obligations, outside opinions, and online. Validation. You wake up every day with expectations hanging over you, and none of them are truly yours. You're living like you're on stage, smiling, saying the right things, being acceptable. But deep down, you're exhausted. Disappearing doesn't mean vanishing. It means no longer reacting, no longer explaining yourself, withdrawing, with intention. You start to disappear. When you stop replying to everything. When you ignore what doesn't deserve your energy. When you choose silence over argument. Solitude over empty crowds. To disappear is to protect yourself in order to be reborn. In the shadows, no one expects anything from you. And that's where you gain freedom. The freedom to fail, to try, to change your mind, to break who you were, and build a new you. Piece by piece. It's there, away from the spotlight, that you find what no one else can give you. Your real identity, the need for approval, the addiction to attention, comparing yourself to lives that aren't even real, the rush, the fear of being alone every time you let go of something. You get back a piece of your freedom, and with every piece recovered, you move closer to your true self. People will notice your change. They'll call you weird, cold, distant. Ignore it. They're just used to your tamed version, the domesticated version that smiled out of obligation. But now, you're returning to yourself. You don't need to explain. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to go far. Within, after disappearance, comes presence. You return different, calmer, sharper, truer, and people feel it. They can't explain it, but they know something shifted. You no longer beg for attention. You carry presence because those who face the abyss never return the same. They return whole. Disappearing is not weakness, it's courage. The courage to drop the mask, to walk through the storm, to stay quiet, until your voice returns clean. So, if you feel like you've reached your limit, maybe this is your sign. Disappear, and come back when you're truly you. If this video made sense to you, leave a comment saying simply, "I'm coming back to myself."